Hello. So this is the end of the week one of our course, and I wanted to do a little bit of work to point out a couple things that will make working with paste comments a little bit easier. And the two things I wanted to talk about were tagging and leaving a reply or making a comment. They're synonymous in paste comments. So let's look at the tagging first. So here I am in our group. And you can see over here that it's identified some tags, and you notice that they appear as links. And the reason that is that when I click on one, so I'm going to pick the one EDG 606, when I click on that, what it's really doing is gathering everything on the site that has got that tag. So it serves as a real powerful organizational tool. So when I ask you to tag things, as I did, so let's just take a look at the assignments. So for week one, and I get to week one, as you know, by going to group pages, and then here's the coursework, and week one. So week one, what I had said was, okay, introduce yourself and use this tag EDG 606 intros. So if I use that as a search, there I am. So everything that includes that, and I see many of you use that tag very successfully. So congratulations on that. So while I will suggest tags in a way to make my life easier, so then I will click on the tag and I can go find the assignments. You can also use tags. So if you wanted to create a tag that was your initials or your name or something, and it'd be easy to find your own work. Just the suggestion there. All right, so but if you did need to leave a tag, if you were unclear about how that worked, let me show you how that goes. So I go back into the group, and what I would like to do is to essentially do that introduction assignment. So I go to our group, and the assignment had said to create a post. So I'm going to do that. I can do it in the group blog. I could do it on my own blog. I'm going to pick GroupBot, add a blog post. And so I'm going to call it something, Ardito introduction. Here is what you should know about me going into EDG 606. And I could write stuff over here, but here's where I would put that tag along with other tags that might be useful to me. The thing that's important here is that you separate tags with commas. So whatever I put in here, teaching fellows, it doesn't matter that there's a space there. The system will read anything between the commas as the tag. So hopefully that makes sense. And I'll just blah, blah, blah. And now I will save that. And we'll see there are the tags that I created. Okay, so that should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's how to use tags, and please make sure that you use them consistently. It makes my life easier, but then as I pointed out, it could also be a way to make your life easier. The second thing I want to talk about was replies. So a number of you said, I'm not quite sure how I was supposed to reply to this. So I'm just going to go grab somebody's, so this is Norkellis's post about how she learns best. And so what you'll see is that actually in this case, Chris posted about how he learns best, and then I read it and left a comment. And it tells me who did it and when. And by the way, this blue box gets created when you use the feature in the editor that looks like quotation marks. It's a block quote, and it kind of separates it out. I like that because it has the function of highlighting. And then Norkellis also replied. I like her reply, so I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And now if I want to reply to this the original blog post by Chris, I just start typing in a comment. Norkellis, thanks for contributing to this discussion. I come down here and I press the comment button, and off it goes. And that functionality is very consistent throughout Paste Commons. So even if I was looking at like the work page, leaving comments is the same. In the discussion board, it's the same. So hopefully that clears up some of the questions. But if it doesn't, let me know. And that's it for now. I'll see you online.